Welcome to Joule Sous Vide by ChefSteps. Let's get cooking. You'll need Joule, a smartphone or tablet, and a pot. The one you use to cook pasta works great. Your Joule has a magnetic foot, a water inlet, a water outlet, an LED light, and a button on top. Let's set up your Joule. Start by adding some water to your pot. Don't forget to protect your work surface with a trivet or a cutting board. Add Joule to the pot and plug it in. Do you have enough water? As a rule, you want the water to fully cover your food, plus a little extra. And if you're cooking something small, like a single salmon fillet, you can use as little as 1.5 inches of water. There are 3 ways to attach Joule. If you have a magnetic pot, simply place Joule in the pot and the powerful magnetic foot will keep Joule upright and secure throughout the cook. No magnetic pot? Not to worry. Simply attach Joule to the side of your pot using the side clip. You control Joule with a custom app. Start by downloading the app on your Android or iOS device. Joule works with both Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Start by connecting Joule to your ChefSteps account. If you don't have an account, you can set one up now. The first time you open the app, you'll get directions on how to pair with Joule. Just follow the prompts on screen. Don't forget to name your Joule. The last step is to add your Wi-Fi network. Adding your Joule to Wi-Fi will let you control it and check the cooking progress from anywhere. It's also a way to receive firmware updates that will make Joule better over time. If you're not connected to Wi-Fi, don't stress it. Just choose the Bluetooth option in the setup process. Bluetooth connection works just like Wi-Fi. You just need to stay in range to keep controlling Joule. The Joule app offers 2 ways to cook. If you know the temperature you would like, use the manual cooking screen to enter that number in Celsius or Fahrenheit. If you're looking for some inspiration, there's guided cooking. With guided cooking, you can use one of the app's 100+ step-by-step cooking guides. Search or browse by category. Each guide includes visual doneness videos, which show you exactly how food will turn out before you even start cooking. Just pick the one that looks best. The app will ask you a few questions about your food so that Joule can calculate the perfect cooking time. That's it! Joule will begin heating the water and you're ready to cook something delicious. When you're done, you'll notice there are fewer dishes than usual, so cleanup is a breeze. And Joule easily fits in a drawer until you're ready to cook again. All set for your first cook with Joule? We suggest one of the Get Started guides in the app, which demonstrate the basics of cooking different kinds of meat and fish. These guides will give you the foundation to cook any dish with Joule. If you have any trouble at all, please contact our support team at chefsteps.com. Want to cook a steak with Joule right now? Check out our video on how to cook a basic steak.